how to add tags to your GoDaddy website. So first we want to load up GoDaddy. Click on your name in the top right corner and then go into My Products. So here from the products page, we will click on Websites and Marketing to expand the menu. Find your current website and plan and click on Manage next to it. So from this page that loads, we will focus on the left hand side. Click on Store and then go into Settings. So here from the settings, you will be able to see a tags section. Click on Tags and it will refer us to a new page like so. So manually add taxes, manually assign tax rates for each region where you are responsible for collecting sales tax. If you prefer to add these tax rules yourself, we advise, so on and so forth. So if we click on Add here, we can choose the country/region. So for example here, if we do our Bulgaria, we can display and check out Bulgaria sales tax. We will write the tax identification number here, and here's where we set the rate, so it can be 10% tax because that is the tax rate in Bulgaria. And if you have this option toggled on, My Product already includes sales tax, we can toggle this off, and we can also charge tax on shipping as well. And we have these different tax categories. So after you're done with this, you can click on Save here, and you will have created one of those sales tags. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.